welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that. Okay, please click this. Okay, please click this. Can I want to say this? Please click the subscribe button. And then, if you are new to my channel, my name's called Elise. I have a big sister. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, give us a huge thumbs up please. Today, we're doing a video about, drum roll please, Sofia! Without further ado, let's get started. But before that, I have a special guest. She's not here yet, she's just getting ready. But let's start on with... You guys, I hear her. Let's... Dun. Wait, I forgot she's not here. Okay. You all know it's my sister. She's just late, people. She is late. She is just late. And she is not gonna disappear because she's late. How are we supposed to do this? She's late. Okay, I'll start before. So this is how it goes. Dun, 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 dun. Wait, I have to get... Okay, I'm just a bit nervous. But, okay, no more talking. I hear her and she's coming. So we can wait for her, okay? Let's see. This is what I found. Good. Now come in. Drum roll, please. It's my sister. Let's start. Hi. Hello. She said hello. Hi. Hello. Okay, so let's begin. So it starts like this. Wait, we have to say the beginning. That's the like opposite of the beginning. That's the medium bit. So it starts like this. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. Solo de Cleo, solo de Cleo, Cleo. And a dun 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 dun. Mina Sofia. Si tu me la necesito, si tu me la necesito, Mina Sofia. Como me necesito, como me necesito. Shaka no, shaka solo. Shaka ya soy, yo, Mina Sofia. Si tu me la necesitas, si tu me la necesitas, Sofia. Dun 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 dun. Can your rhythm, can your samba flow? Hello, can your samba flow? Jano de Cleo, it's Jano de Cleo, Jano de Cleo, Jano de Cleo, Seyo, solo de Cleo, Seyo. And I do Mina Sofia. Si tu me la necesito, si tu me la necesito, Mina Sofia. Como me necesito, shaka no, soy yo, Mina Sofia. Si tu me la necesito, si tu me la necesito, Sofia. And it is finished. Thank you. And a big kiss from both of us. And you too. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click the side button, turn on question, give us a huge thumbs up please. Today, I'm going to be doing a night video with my sister. So we have got our source.
Hi.
She just jumped in here. I was talking and she interrupted she jumped. Okay, come back in when you're ready, okay? Out you go, out you go.
No.
Come back in when you're ready because you do not do that when I'm speaking, okay? So with that, as I was saying, we have these cool swords that are really, that I have a red one, my sister has a green one. So
Hello.
can you tell me what is she doing? Out you go, I said out you go. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Yeah, I'm gonna win. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, shield. Dun. Yeah, broke your shield. Yeah.
You think that you're gonna win? No way, lady. Because I'm cray cray. So yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
You're cray cray.
Yeah.
I am the winner.
We both won.
Yay! We won the trophy.
I won. I won. You have no swords. Yeah.
But I've still got my kicking powers.
Miss me. Miss me again. Yeah.
Touch you. I need to think of a plan, guys. Can you help me with this plan?
Don't help her. Help me. I'm going to my secret plan room.
Ha. No, I surrender. Please don't help me.
Yeah. I'm the winner.
Help me. Thank you. I am a great actress. Do you think so? Comment down below. Do you think that I'm a great actress?
Let's win with the pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. You have to keep on doing it.
Guys, this is the most disgusting thing ever. Just because I lost the game and I have to give us a foot massage with a stinky speed.
Because I got 30 points, she got 16 points. So you need to comment down. You need to comment down. Okay, you have to comment down below who you think has won this challenge. Obviously, it's me, not her. That's why she's massaging my beautiful feet. She's just saying rubbish because on my feet are not.
It's disgusting.
She is saying I'm beautiful. Let's say thank you.